medyo late tayo sa trend, pero gagawin pa rin natin. Nagsumikat ang tiramisu at itatry natin ang different types of tiramisu that is available in Metro Manila right now. Today, try tayo ng tatlo. Let's see the difference between these tiramisu from these sikat na restaurants. First up, Mama Lou's. Ang take nila sa kanilang tiramisu ay medyo on the cakey side with cream on top. Let's try.
Coffee. Ramdam mo yung coffee. Lumisipa yung tamis. Hindi pa siya matamis.
Next up, Cafe Mary Grace, and look how this looks like. Hindi sila nagtipid sa chocolate on top. Let's try. Medyo on the cakey side pa rin sila, pero look at this. Sobrang moist niyan. Grabe. Pero nasa taste pa rin ang hatol, so let's try it.
Speechless. Nakakailalaga. Super moist. It's creamy on top. Although hindi ko lasa yung coffee. It's more of the rum. Yung lasa niya. No? Do you feel the coffee? I don't feel it. I didn't feel the coffee. But it's super moist.
And the layers are layering. Right?
The layers are layering.
And ang last one for today is itong tiramisu from Italianis. Kitang-kita nyo na ito ay mostly made the traditional way. Hindi siya cake type. And as seen in the presentation, meron siyang twist or just a touch of orange and mint. Let's taste test kung ano ang lasa niya.
The coffee plate. Can't taste the coffee. Can't taste the coffee. But it blends well with this.
The lemon zip.
Orange. Mix it. Plus points yung hindi matamis sa mga tita dyan. Bagay ito sa inyo. The thing is, hindi ko malasahan yung coffee. It's purely cream. Even the chocolate, no? It's correct. No chocolate. No chocolate. Although it has there over there. It's this one. But preference-wise, mas prefer ko mas lasa ko yung coffee. Presentation-wise is skipping. Good, but missing coffee flavor. Maka ito sa dulo. Yung coffee flavor niya, may certain parts na yung meron. It got better sa dulo. Ito, binubudol niya lang. Yan, hindi pantay. So, sana naging pantay. And more coffee flavor.
Let me know kung meron pa kayong recommendations on where I should get my tiramisu. That's it for today. Follow for the next.